Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here, I wanna show you how to accept your friends on Snapchat apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Snapchat, and in here you can click on the chat icon, this one. Click on it, and in here you can see added me, and this is a friend and need your accepts. And after this, you can click on the accept. And then finish. So that how to accept your friends on Snapchat apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.